Yeah, we are live. We are live. Yeah, you can put the links. We see who comes. Yeah. Okay. So what we first need is not my ugly face, but maybe a chart might help. Yeah. Okay. You can all see the chart. Everything. Yeah. Yes. No. No one talking. Yazira is here as well. Okay. Ram is here. Naveen is here. Okay. Aha. Good. 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 Yeah. Okay. And let's copy this link. And we can put it in our traders room as well if they would come. If uh, if from Haji wants to come, if he's free, I don't know. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we can do. Yeah, we can start. Ah, Nishant Bhai is here as well. Welcome, salam, Nishant Bhai.
Salam bhai, how are you?
Oh, okay, good. Yeah. I thought I'd try it out because the recording fellow has been putting in mics and all sorts of things, no?
Okay.
So I thought in case we've lost some connection somewhere now, so I said, check it out, check it out, yeah? Check it out. Yeah? Okay. So I think any questions or anything they can look and see. Aha, Haji is here. Haji, welcome. Is the link for our this thing invite link? Yeah, invite. Let me give it to Haji first. Copy. Okay, Haji. Giving the link to Atila as well, nah? So maybe are we 10 here? I don't know. No, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no, 7, 8. No, we still got room for two, nah? So Haji can. Whoop. Aha. Wassalamu alaikum. And you know what I'm going to do to you, Haji, don't you?
Who?
Assalam.
Salam, salam.
Aha.
How are you, Haji?
Alhamdulillah.
What I'm going to do to you?
Was missing you, you know.
How is everyone?
Salam, salam. How are you?
Haji,
So,
is everything okay?
Alhamdulillah. Sorry, I missed you on that Sunday or whatever, nah?
Yeah.
Inshallah, we will do it maybe this
Inshallah.
weekend when you are free and you can show me editing and things. And
Sure.
we've been doing a lot of, my friend has been sorting out recording stuffs and everything on the computer, you know.
Hmm.
And Haji, I don't know if I can move I don't know, maybe I can do this, yeah. And you can see maybe
Wow.
all
Okay.
this stuff, yeah.
We have your Yeti ready
Yeti
there.
and got a full this one.
Okay, that's amazing.
Yeah, and instrument ones and everything. Inshallah, it will be nice when he finishes the job, you know.
Yeah, okay. That looks fine.
But I
Yeah.
wasn't sure. In case I try this out today to see that no mic or something settings are not finished. You know, so I was going to
Okay,
catch you.
what you can do, you put a green screen as I did. You can change the background as well.
Put a parda. Put a parda. Put a parda.
Did you
Okay,
cut your hair?
Haji, are you free?
Yes, I have some time, like 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, you go first, Haji. You know I always catch you.
Okay,
Um,
if you want to,
of
but you
not
want me
want
to
to,
show.
100% I want to, Haji.
Okay. Okay, let me see. All right. So, Aji, can you add my screen?
Yes.
All right.
Okay. All
So
yours.
let's go SMP, right?
Yeah. Anything. Your party. You can do what you like. You want
Wow.
music? I can even do the music now for you.
Aji, so look at that. I mean, SMP got this support here, right here, and then it's going crazy. And again, I believe it's going to be not that parabolic, but it is not coming down anytime soon right now, because it's got the support from the linear regression line, and then if we and it's very strong, and if we take that channel, put that channel, and as you can see that it's moving slowly but steady. So
Hmm.
we have to see three waves about this. If it goes parabolic, then we have to see three waves like this. Let me show you.
Yeah.
This is what I think. So it's not 100%, of course, and maybe one more, something like that. Then go back to this channel.
Hmm.
So what we can expect to see is what's that? 45.22, 45. Yeah, 45.22 or 45.20 is good. So maybe right after there, then it has to come back to this, this channel, back to this channel, and then maybe if it goes uh, just little bit like that, then it has to come down, and little bit like that, it has to come down and go up like this. This is the price action.
Hmm.
So reading the price action, but this channel is eventually going to break down, as we know, because
Yeah.
it's moving up as well. So that's what we have to keep in mind, and then be very careful, because if you are not professional, the watchers I'm talking about, the guys who is watching us right now, then you don't want to go against this. This is very very strong, but if you know what you're doing, of course, for example, if you are Haji, then you shouldn't
Yeah.
listen to me, because he just opens the position and he knows how to manage his risk and money. So that's why we watched this movie several times.
Hmm.
So if it goes
Haji,
up, yeah.
Haji, I'm with you as well. I'm looking for a little retracers like hit and run kind of thing, like we say, na? Maybe
Yeah,
10, 15, 20 points like that. But I see very soon that this thing maybe will pop up around, same idea as you, around maybe 72 or 144 points up.
yeah. Okay, and then maybe we can
Right?
expect a double top there,
Yes.
just like that,
Yeah. 70 to
just like that.
144. And then we see timber or not,
Yeah,
kaboom
but
or not.
it's okay. It's okay. If we see
Yeah.
this volatility, then we can buy again. But
Yes.
isn't it expensive to buy here, Haji? It is, right?
Better to, Haji, we as traders should be like Scrooge,
Yeah.
very tight fisted. Give us a discount and then we will buy. Otherwise,
Yeah.
not buying it.
Do you have any positions right now?
I've taken yesterday and today in S&P, like hit and run ones, yeah,
Hmm.
short ones, yeah, because nearly all week I missed, to be honest with you, Ajina, because I was with wife, yeah.
Wow, Haji, look at the SPY. It's really strong. I mean, it is strong. So my target was like 460 in SPY, and one of my friend just bought out the money call option when the price was right here, Haji.
Haji, you said 460, 500 plus 144. We are there. We are there. We are there. We are there. We are there.
Yes,
We are
yes,
there. We are
vulture,
there.
vulture. Yeah, yeah, it is gonna pump there. Well, I know, but the problem is that when it goes up, back up there, then we should If it goes fast, we don't want this.
No.
We need it to go slowly, steady. Then if it goes hits action reaction, then it's gonna come back, and there comes the volatility after that. Just like this. For example, if it goes like that, maybe it's gonna go back down. But if it goes slowly, 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 then it does this, then it does this, then it does this. It's okay. Then one day again, it's gonna come back up. And if we see the volatility, then we can go back up again. So we just need to know how to read
Milka,
this.
Assalamu alaikum, kar.
Walaikum salam.
Come here. Come on.
my feet.
She's running away. She gone shy. She gone shy. She run away.
Oh, Nishante is here. Nishant, how are you, my friend? Sorry, I just
Is
seen
here as
you.
well.
Nishant Ahmed. My father's name is Ahmed as well. You know.
Ahmed.
Assalamu alaikum. Akila sir.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
All good, my friend. All good, brother. All good. Haji, have you talked to Vulture lately?
Vulture, I missed for a week, but he left a message, Vulture, he's got family or at home or something, have come to visit or whatever. So I was expecting him yesterday, but he didn't come yesterday. So maybe inshallah tonight he will come, yeah? I'm waiting for Vulture.
Nishant, all good, all good. You're good as okay. Drive safe, my friend. Drive safe. Okay, so let's go back to gold maybe, because everyone
Okay.
is wondering what's going on. Okay, this is the egg formation, and then it's broken and pulled back. So what we can expect to see is something like this maybe, okay, and then go back up. But the problem is that if it goes back inside this, we can also see this formation. However, this formation is not going to last too long, as there is a good, there is a good support we are going to see, and then we want to see this because you know why? If we see this, we can buy this dip just right above this wick, and then we can go back all the way up again. So this is what I think about the gold, and let's go back to silver maybe. Okay, silver is nice. I mean, it is really cheap. So what we can do is that this is the daily chart. Okay, so if you look at this trend, then you see this dashed mean median line. So below it's cheap, above expensive, below cheap, above expensive. So you want to buy the dips. Okay, you want to buy the dips and then go all the way up, but you shouldn't sell here, because if you buy this dip, then price goes up. Okay, and then let's say price comes down again and you need to add here. So you bought here, then your average price is going to be there. What you want to do is write this all the way up. So you just need to you sell the lot you have added here. Okay, you sell that lot here, and then just keep this one and write it all the way up, all the way up. So it is going to pay really nice. This is not a advice, of course, but okay, look at this euro. So I called this dip and I said that it's a really good time to buy some euro, and then I think I'm buying since here or here somewhere else, because I'm physically buying, by the way. I'm not trading euros right now, but I'm physically sold my dollars to euro. And then what I am planning to do is that I am planning to write this euro all the way up to here. But again, if it goes down, because I'm not fully invested, what I can do, I can add more, and then right at the average price, I'm going to sell what I bought here. Then I'm planning to write it all the way up to 122. So this is my euro expectation. And let's see the, oh my God, look at the crude, Haji. Haji, you love this. Haji,
Yeah,
you
I've been
love
hitting it quite a bit. Now, inshallah, either today afternoon or tomorrow oil inventories. Yeah, I'm going
Yeah,
to
I
hit
should
it.
look at that.
Because I
Look at-
believe yesterday or whatever would have been like with FX brokers, the change of contract. Huh?
Hmm.
So that is one thing I think I told everyone yesterday as well, that be careful if your broker is changing the contract. Some of them just close the position, you see,
Yes,
or you
yes.
end up with a massive charge.
But Haji, it is now right at the top.
It's a ABCD as well, Haji.
Yeah, exactly. Let me see.
And you can call it a butterfly as well, somewhere in there, I think.
Let me see the ABCD. So ABCD. I'm not using that ABCD too much, but yeah, it's above the ABCD right
Hmm.
now. If you look
It's
here,
straight. So straight and snap.
yeah, but there is one more ABCD right here. But I don't think it's gonna go up there.
Because
You
now
think?
you see everybody, Haji, will be talking about energies and it's going up and up and up. And when everyone is looking up, what do? They throw it down.
Yeah, gee. Well, if volatility jumps here, so we can see a sudden jump, then we can sell here because
Yeah.
it's too much right now. I mean, it's really too much.
Needs, even as a technical reset, it needs a pullback, a retracement, you know?
Yeah.
And
Okay.
Haji, 7 times 12, 84.
Haji, do you know dollar try? Oh my gosh. Yeah. You
Oh,
can see-
Turkish. Okay.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Is it cheap for me to come to Istanbul or not? Tell me.
You can come to Istanbul because it's really cheap right now. You can buy everything just half price. You can
There are
see
crooks, you know, you have to take this COVID passport, and even though
don't
you've
need
been
that.
vaccinated, you need to get a separate vaccine done and a certificate. And Aji, that costs between 120 to 180 pounds. Huh? And
120.
tomorrow morning, I have to go for a booster, number 3 injection.
Oh, really? Which one?
Yeah, I got a text yesterday.
Which one?
I got a text yesterday.
Text. Okay. Which one are you going to?
AstraZeneca.
Okay, AstraZeneca. Okay. So, have you tested your antibody?
Yes, I think I gave the blood before. I will find out what they say.
Yeah, please do that, Haji.
Yeah, because that's why I was. They know I was out in the morning a little bit because I went to give all the blood tests and everything and come back. You know.
Haji, oh my God, look at that! Look at that! That's beauty.
Nice.
So dollar is losing power against pound and against euro. Well, it is really, really right
Haji,
now.
where is the dollar index around 93.80 or 94.20?
Well, 93, 500 or something like that.
Okay.
So you can see that, Haji. I don't know if we did this in your streaming, but you see that we
The balance being, yeah.
the top. We predicted the top.
Yeah.
So where is that going? It's going back down to this egg formation. Okay, so it's going back to 92 500 or something like that.
And at the top, you can draw a thick line, 94.66.
94.66.
68. It does not have permission to pass that.
Okay.
If it passes, you can come and shoot me.
Yeah, this one.
They can
Hopefully
maybe
it's not going.
spike. Maybe spike a little bit. It does not have permission.
It can, but it is really volatile. I mean, can you trade Dixie?
Yeah.
Really? Okay, that's nice. So let me see. Is it? No, not too much. Better trade gold.
I think, Haji, I'm not sure because I trade it on the futures, but I think on Axie, I'm not sure you can even trade it at 0.01.
Yeah, but it is not too much. I mean, it's not moving much. Even here to here, 1.8%, and it is daily. We can see this in seconds chart in Bitcoin.
That basically, unless you play with size, it is unworkable. Yeah, wasting energy.
You got to
But you
use,
just can use it like a thermometer.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
a
but
thermometer.
better you need to use
Yeah.
you know, some leverage, Haji,
Yes.
because if you are not using leverage in just a second, what was that? If you are not using leverage in forex, there is no money, no lose, no money to
True.
win, nothing.
True.
I really don't like that.
And two things, Haji. Leverage, and the other one is you need movement.
Moment, yeah, exactly.
Otherwise, you can have 1 million leverage. If the bugger don't move, you can't do anything. You
Yeah,
can't do it.
yeah,
And you have to take care of the spread.
yeah, exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
the spread as well. So, you have to take a lot of things in consideration.
Yeah, let's go back to Bitcoin now, and then
Okay.
I need to ask your permission to go and join my lunch. It's a bit late.
You should never keep food waiting, Never keep food waiting.
Aji, look at that. We are already at all-time high. It's if you look at the weekly chart,
Yeah.
let me show you, and you go to the line chart, the weekly chart closed above, all-time high. So closing price, it is right at the all-time high, but we have seen this, but we never closed there. So the highest closing price was here, and now it's 60,000. But now last week it's closed about right here, so which is 61,528. So we are already at all-time high on the weekly closing prices. But now, if we look at the price, it's really strong, and this egg formation worked very nice. So if you look at this one, so there is this egg formation and egg pattern, and then it worked very nice. And if you go to daily, Haji, so it's broken and pulled back here, and again it's broken here and pulled back. So what we can see is this is really too much. This is really too much. We need to see some strong retracements.
Yes.
But there are several ways to see
Inshallah will go down by around 3,000 or 4,000.
Yeah, something like that. So what we can expect to see something like that, or if it comes down really so strong, then it has to go here and go back down here.
Yeah.
So this is, you're going to like 44.
Yes.
It is 44,400. So
yes.
Well, there are several things we can see, but I don't see
4,4,4,5,5.
Yeah, and I don't see any buying opportunity here. I'm going to buy some, but what I'm expecting to see is this price.
Let me see what it is. Oh God, cheese and tomato. Wife deciding want to eat pasta or I don't want to eat pasta.
Say hi, salam.
Cheese and tomato, cheese and tomato.
Haji, so we can see some consolidation here or something like this. Then it can go strong and then go back up.
Yeah, keep everyone guessing and then do a spiker.
Yeah. So what we are doing is we are not guessing. We are not forecasting. Just we are trading what we see. So I don't know what price is going to do, but I know where to buy. So this is what we do. We are not mediums. Well, Haji is a medium, not me.
No, I'm not a medium.
Haji is medium, not me. But then if it goes back down, then I'm going to buy, of course. But it's really expensive to buy. Yesterday, I closed my Bitcoin positions in my spot. So I'm not long anymore at Bitcoin, but I'm holding my altcoins. And then probably if it goes down really strongly, then there is going to be a good chance to to get back in.
True.
But one more thing is, if we see 1, 2, 3 pattern here, then it's going to go parabolic maybe. Because 1, 2, 3 pattern is going to take Bitcoin all the way up to 80,000.
Yes. Go for the maximum pain, you see.
Yeah, all the way. But we don't know what it's gonna do.
No.
Just we know is that we need to see the pattern, maybe zoom in.
Just
And
like
see what's
just like our Uncle Larry would say,
Yeah,
trade what you see, not what
Trade
you
what
think.
exactly. Trade what you see. Haji, they are calling me.
Okay.
So I need to leave now. And thank you
Okay,
very much
thank
for
you.
inviting me, Haji. Really, I appreciate
Teşekkür
that.
ederim. Thank you very much.
And teşekkür ederim. So Nishan, see you soon, my friend, and say hi to everyone. Salam to everyone, Haji.
Okay, give salam to everybody. Haji,
Yeah.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you very much. Bye bye.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Okay. Okay, Haji, that was nice of Haji, yes. Okay, let's put our thing on, add to stream. Okay. So, everybody okay? Any questions, anything or whatever, shout away, yeah? Yes, no? I don't know. Okay, let's go through the daily levels, yeah? Whoops. Might help. Okay. So guys, can you see the chart and everything okay? And do remind me that you see all the levels, yeah? Yes, anybody shout anything, whatever anybody wants to put on voice or anything, shout as well, please, Yeah, and I think Ahmad is reading the messages in case anything, or Nishant Pai as well. When Nishant Pai is driving, I think as well. Okay. Okay, S&P. Today we need to look at it to sell a rally, yeah? We are at C2, but we have already taken a small position here, yeah? And I'm a little bit lower as well. But we want to see the real-time opening on S&P. And today, I mean, without revealing too much, I mean, Templars or whatever you would know probably, I keep on always saying this, is today is a S2L day, yeah? So when the market opens and within the 45 or 90 minutes, what we want to see on the opening in the real-time hours, we want to see, does it give a deep or a shallow pullback, yeah? Okay. And with this one, if it's a deep pullback, then it can be like a tennis ball dropping down the stairs, or it can do a dropper and then a V shape and climbing a staircase, yeah? Okay, so that's the basic pattern. But here we would be fishing to look for a sell, yeah? You're not going to buy it here, okay? Yes, no, anybody okay? And those of you who don't know, obviously, how to use the daily hours, do shout me and I will give you a lesson on it, yeah? It's not a problem, not an issue, yeah? Not an issue. Okay, so what does S&P does Dow? Yes, Dow is popping up as well. Okay. Same thing in the Dow, yeah? Same thing in the Dow. Look for sell the rally, yeah? By the way, I'm not a bear, yeah? I do buy things as well. I'm not always selling things. NASDAQ is going up as well, but it's not at C2 areas yet. Yeah, the other ones are. It's a little bit weaker out of the three. We wait and see. But this mad pop-up, I believe, was something to do with Apple, yeah? Apple was going crazy because in NASDAQ, it's only about the FANG stocks, you can say 8 or 10 or whatever maximum. They can cause a lot of big movement in them can cause an exaggerated move in the NASDAQ, yeah, or NASDAQ as I call it, yeah. What is the Indian market doing? Nifty, Nifty, Sunil Bhai should be smiling. But now really, we've got the V shape in place. If it doesn't break F1, you try and take a small long towards MOB. Okay? Yes, no, anybody, any questions? Do shout or something. Yeah. Do shout or something. And, always try to think of something funny or whatever. Can you see like a letter M? And if you make it like really weird M, you can see a M as well. Okay. So we got a V shape here. Yeah. So this needs to hold and this kind of becomes the target. Okay. Okay. So Daxi, German BMW. BMW is slow. BMW is only when at LOC. I think the Europeans are waiting not to be trapped by the Yanks, and we see what it wakes up in real time. Yeah. Okay. Guys, if I'm going too fast or anything or whatever, do shout as well. Yeah. FTSE, same thing. Is same as that, waiting for the Europeans, waiting for the Americans. Yeah. What is the French is doing? Nothing. Wait. Come on. Oil. Yeah. Okay. What can you see in oil, guys? 84, we said 7 times 12, 84. But you are fishing for a short, but tomorrow is oil inventories. Yeah, keep that in mind. And some people or some brokers will have yesterday or so oil expiry, and the other ones might be having it around the 20 or the 21st. Yeah. So do check with your broker as well. Yeah. Because some brokers, like for example, in a buy, they pay you money, but other brokers, they charge you on both sides. Yeah. They charge you on both sides. You don't want to get trapped in that. Well, basically what I was saying is, what do you see? And we can roughly draw like maybe a cup of tea. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, bhai.
Okay. I think everyone is. Oh, thank you, Nishant. You're talking. Everyone else is quiet. Anybody else wants to be added to voice or anything, do shout as well. Yeah. But Nishant bhai, hats off. You were right as well. Remember when you did that one and 60, 61 and then going to 80s and whatever? We are here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I just sent you on Discord, bhai.
Huh? Oh, okay. I haven't even looked at that. I haven't even looked at it.
That same message.
Yeah. Because remember, we did it and Kichan had come as well. He did it independently and he came to the same thing as well. No?
Correct.
Latif came as well. And yes. So, but I do expect oil to do a bit of a dropper now. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit over, boys. No? Brent, what is happening in the Brent? Same thing. Wait and see. Okay, no one, any questions? Nothing. Goldilocks. We are small short, yeah. It's morning at around 1777.05. I'm short, yeah. I want to hold it, and I will even edit higher. And the higher numbers we know from before as well. Yeah, we know the higher numbers. Recently we went to around say 1791, 92 area, yeah, and 1780. 84 and 88, yeah. These are all like speed bumps, yeah. Speed bumps. So we are looking down there, yeah. Looking down there. Let's see what they play up, and I think we're coming into full moon as well. I think day after tomorrow, something like that.
Yeah.
In Aries, I think in Aries, yeah. Silver as well, small shorter, yeah. But if we look at the higher one, we need to keep this. All the old numbers, 25, 50 and whatever, is like a line in the sand anyway, markers, yeah. And we know he's a policeman here. And this is like, if it doesn't come up, but it is going to retrace down a little bit. At least you can play the short side a little bit as well. Yeah, you can play the short side. Okay. And call me mad, call me absolutely mad. The fire of London is still not dead. Yeah, that 1666 area on gold is going to come, and I don't know, Nishant bhai, maybe you can do your work as well and other ones as well. But I see silver, going to work on it and maybe ask Vulture as well a bit more in it. But Nishant bhai, I'm looking maybe get to around 18 or 19 area.
Right, by. I think we are getting buy of a lifetime there.
Huh. So that is why I'm saying Fire of London is not dead.
Yeah.
And those two will be like BTFD, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I keep on seeing that number, you know, 18 and 19 in silver. And I think
Right,
I told Sunil Bhai about maybe 2 months ago regarding that as well.
Okay.
It's the same. The difference, there is no difference between the future and the goal because of, you know, we're coming towards the end, yeah?
Yeah.
Only 10 cents, Nishant bhai.
Right. No, and now this zone of silver, if you cross it, it's going to 49 by.
Because come down and then it is going to go well higher. Nishant bhai, it will be like, call it retirement trade, you know?
Yeah.
Because if you buy it at the bottom here and then you add it at the top, you are just moving with it. You know, you don't have to use too much energy, no?
Yeah, correct.
So USD CHF, okay, it's down, but it's slow. Needs some wake up. Okay, this one is going like sideways. When it fizzles out, you can maybe put a top and see you can do a retracement. But look at the difference between there's like only about 24 points, yeah. So you have to be careful on that, nah. You need volatility. Okay, Kiwi is above that, so you can look for a short and little retracer down, yeah. What is pound doing? Toothless pound is wow above C2. Look for a retrace, yeah. And I'm not sure, is it this week or maybe tomorrow or Thursday? Maybe Bank of England and MPC and all those idiots talking as well. I think I'm not sure, yeah.
Financial use by. We need to see that.
I think so. And also we have this like a meeting about the energy, isn't it? And they're fighting energy pollution and all this stuff.
Yeah.
And I think the Americans want to basically kind of walk out of it or something like that. One of the senators and all this rubbish I was seeing. Yeah?
Right. Today
But
only by Bank of England, Bill speaks, Daly speaks, and
Okay.
Fed. Today, I think today we have.
Today we have a lot of the Fed idiots, yeah?
Yeah, Fed also and Bank of England also.
That's what I was thinking. I wasn't sure, no? So Euro JP again is for a shorter side. We need to wait and see. GBP yen, okay, above C2 until it fizzles out, nothing to do. USD JP, okay. Nah, between LOC and here, nothing to do as well. Nothing to do. Yeah, it's going up. Unless it comes to MOB, maybe you can do something. But here, we are in no man's land. Let's see if we can find something better, you know. C2 as well, AUD JP, nothing as well. Looney can look for a small buy as well. Hold this, and it's a swing long as well. You know, like we Nishant bhai, you worked it out and told everyone as well a while back, yeah.
Yeah.
Aha, Euro GBP is making like a letter N, yeah. So this is the support zone here. Where it bases, then you can look for a long. But here, nothing to do. Nothing to do. I'll be honest with you, Nishant. I went to bed at about 1 and I think 4 o'clock I was up, yeah, or something like that, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then I did the levels and things and everything looked at, and then I don't know, became kind of like lazy, Nishant Bhai.
Okay.
And I told everyone that if you want any levels, tell me, I'll give it to you, nah? But
Yeah.
otherwise, I said around midday we will do a live stream, nah? So in a way, my bad in a way that otherwise most of the things were up here and whatever, there would have been trades, yeah. But I
Yeah,
did tell everyone that anything shout, yeah, anything shout. But I didn't, to be honest, I just didn't have the energy to sit down and do
right,
them,
right.
to
I
make
think
them all. Nah,
mentally you're tired.
I
You
was,
need
I
some
was,
rest.
I was, I was, yeah, I went to sleep, but I was too tired. I couldn't sleep, kind of thing, nah.
Hmm.
New Zealand CHF looking for a short as well. GBP CHF. Anyone? Any questions? Nothing. Okay. Ram, regarding Delhi, there was, like I said, your first time here. What we will do is maybe not this week, and maybe when I have time next week, I will I will do a session how to use daily levels. Yeah, so it will help you. No problem at that. No problem at that. Okay. GBP CHF as well is making like that cup, or you can say a wobbly W or whatever. Look for a shorting opportunity. Yeah. AD and ZD, you can put a stop below here and see if you can get to F1 and above. But I I would say wait. I would wait a bit. You're better off shorting S&P and taking 3 points because it's a round number, Nishant bhai,
Yeah.
4500 area, like natural resistance kind of thing. GBP and ZD, same thing. If you put a slow here, enter in, and then see if you can come up. You need to watch this policeman here, yeah. AUDCHF, no, nothing doing. Anyone, any questions or anything or whatever? No, nothing. Okay, here as well, AUD CAD. Nope, this one is trickling down still. And remember, always think of it. Is it a Ferrari driving or is it Zarif driving is Morris Minor, Need speed. And I don't mean the drug as well, by the way. I get done for chemical trading. Oh, oh God. C1 down MOB, okay. Wow, GBKB CAD is doing nice. Until it fizzles out, then you can look for a inverted V for a down, yeah? CAD, okay, Euro CAD. I think Brownla and I think one or two, they trade quite a lot of these miners, nah?
Okay.
Minor currencies, nah? Aha, Coco is going cheap, huh? Well done. CHF Cappy. It's turning down. Can put a stop above here and follow down a bit, yeah? Because this move here, it will try and retrace at least half of it, yeah? Mix. Wow. Okay, because of a gap up. Okay. Okay. Nothing to do here anyway. Nothing to do here anyway. Mexicano, nah. Euro CHF, nothing doing. New Zealand CAD, well above C2. Wait until it fizzles out, stops in, put a V shape, put a tight stop, and follow downer. Same ends at DJP, yeah. Okay, dollar index is well down. And like we said, it does not have permission to go over 94.44 or 94.46 to be near enough, yeah. Well, let's see. Does it try to give out up to 92, 93, this area? What is this doing? Okay, this is quite okay. You put a stop below here and try and go for LOC and above MOB. Dr. Copper. Aha, Dr. Copper is trying, did the run up. Yeah, did the run up. Now it's starting to trickle down, yeah. So if this trickles down, floor traders look at that one to see if S&P comes down with it, yeah. Well, usually copper indicates it first and then S&P second, yeah. Platinum, near enough, kind of like double top here, wait and see. But at MOB, it's balance point, wait and see. Soybeans, no, nothing doing. And I think the crop report will be on Friday as well, huh? The crop report will be on Friday. Wow. They're fighting over this gas and everything, and Natgas is doing a downer, huh? And the stupid Nishad bhai, I heard on the news yesterday, I think in 2 years or 3 years time in UK, all the new houses and everything, they are not going to have gas or gas heating or whatever, yeah? You have to have alternative energy or what you call electric to heat your house and everything. It is going to make the electric prices go like crazy. What's going to happen to all the gas from North Sea and everything?
Correct.
Because since time of Adam, all the heating in UK has been, all the houses is gas, you know.
Okay.
Such, I just sometimes you can't understand this logic of this thing.
Yeah.
Because gas in a way, they got the pipelines and everything ready, yeah.
Right, bhai, yeah.
So they want to stop installing in new houses, and the old houses, if you don't modify or whatever, there's fines and all sorts, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what these people are doing.
No, that's why I think they were writing in an article that the next war is around Oman.
Yeah, Oman and Qatar and them, you know, they're full of gas.
Yeah, full of gas.
Full of gas, you know, full of gas. Okay. Bitcoin, buttcoin, shitcoin, whatever you want to call it, yeah. I'm expecting this bugger to drop as a hit and run, say 1,000, 2,000 points, but ideally around 4,000 points, yeah. So if we keep this 63 and 64 in mind and knock off, so we are looking for around this area, yeah.
Right.
59.3 or whatever, no? Like that area. Let's see. In fact, what we will do is we will write a number down. Can't even write. 59212. HRB from this 63, and we can say 64, 1,000 to 2,000. Ideally 4,000. Okay, so this is kind of like neck on the chopping block, and I mean in sell. Okay, so it is just written in plain. It's written in plain, and this is the price now. Yeah, where are we? 62, 23, say 237. Yeah, now. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see. Okay, right. On the screen it will be there anyway because it's recorded it. Yeah. Litecoin. Okay, wait a bit, and this is a short. If Bitcoin is short, all the other ones will be dogs in follow anyway.
Yeah.
Dogs in follow anyway. Yeah. Um, Ripple. Wow, Ripple is already ripped down anyway. Sec. What is Netherlands doing? Okay, Netherlands is starting from 800 areas to trickle down and a double top as well. Turkish lira. Wow, nice drop. But this time by the spread is too big. We can't handle
Yeah.
it. Yeah, we can't handle it. We just look at it for fun. And like I messed about Haji. Tell me
Yeah.
when lira is cheap, I come holiday. Hong Kong Shanghai index as well is a shorter. Huh?
Hmm.
Nikkei Sen. Okay. What is Singapore Straits doing? Yeah, it's a short as well. Yeah. What is USD Singapore dollar? Okay, you can buy the Singapore dollar a bit. What is coffee doing? Yeah. Coffee 19250. We are swinging short anyway. Yeah.
Yeah.
But guys, if you want, you can take a very tiny sell. Yeah. Otherwise, I would say wait. Because we got the crop report on Friday. We see on Monday. Remind me, okay? We see on Monday. It's better because with the crop report, they can do any crap, yeah? And Nishant, when we were talking that S&P is like about 1.5 point in green, yeah?
Correct.
1.5 point in green. And oil, we can say, is like maybe about 20, 30 points in green, from when we were talking, yeah? Just before Attila was talking, I think, yeah, around 20, 30 points in green. See the cup of tea and the handle forming, U form and whatever. We got a letter M as well. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, any questions, anything, whatever? Nobody? Nothing? Nishan Bhai, the recording studio fellows done a brilliant job,
Okay.
I've got Cubase in here as well, and the latest web lab, and all the vocal mics and everything under the sun. It still hasn't finished.
Okay.
I think next week or so we will have finished it, no?
Yeah.
Then it will be nice. It will be fun.
Yeah.
And then we will arrange a music party. We'll have a concert. Okay, guys, any questions or anything or whatever? Do leave honest feedback on the YouTube channel. And like I said, look, guys, no choice. I couldn't do live stream for about nearly, how many, 2-3 weeks, or maybe even 4 weeks, yeah, because of the circumstances, yeah. So I can only say sorry. I cannot apologize because this is kind of like life and death situation kind of thing, nah? So I have to be careful and put priorities as well. Okay, so somebody's put a question or something in comments. Silver. Yes, silver. Okay. Silver is above C2. Look up here. Look at the daily. So look here. Look at silver. I'll just throw in roughly for you. Line in sand above, you can put 25 to 25.50. Okay. is you can say no entry, don't cross. Okay. Okay. So we can say it's around here somewhere. Okay. This area here is we got a policeman as well because you need to know these terms and what happens. We can say 24, I don't know, 60 area, maybe 60, 70 area. Yeah. Okay. Now, if this has been going down, now it comes up. It needs to get past this. Always look back, a reference point. If it can't conquer that, then it does this. Yeah. Then you need to watch it down. Okay. If it breaks that, then you need to see this area as hold. If it does, then you can sell. But at the moment, let it keep going where the solar power stops, where the solar fizzle stops, the pop, then you can look for a sell. Okay. But like I told you, not saying today or tomorrow, but ultimately I'm looking for silver to come to around 18, 19, and then we will declare what is known as BTFD. So I'm telling you the number now, and at that time, hopefully, the gold will be at 1666 as well, the Fire of London. Okay. And gold as well. Today is like Tuesday. From Thursday, be very careful in gold. Yeah. Because it can pop up a bit and then it can drop quite hard. Okay. So I'm telling you, gold and silver, they're both related. Yeah. You can call them brothers or brother and sister or whatever. Yeah. Because moon is gold and gold is sun. Okay. Norman, easy, done. Yep. Okay. So we told. Okay, guys. Anybody, anything or whatever? No. So I want to see all of you people put a honest comment and we see. Okay. And while we are here, mostly our Templars or whatever. Nishant Bhai was talking with Larry, na?
Okay.
So he's ready anytime I tell him he will do it.
Okay, sure, bhai.
Yeah, so just letting these people know that if they say we have a rough idea, no?
Correct, correct.
So we know that it's okay, yeah. Of course, all the Templars will be there, yeah, without question.
Yeah, yeah.
And what he's going to do, Nishant Bhai, while we were discussing and talking, actually he talked and regarding my wife, and then we were just chatting, no, generally,
Yeah,
no. And he said, "What do you want me to do? A PowerPoint presentation?" I said, "No, I don't want PowerPoint presentation. I want you to do like a mentoring session,
Okay.
a teaching session from the basics, how he looks, how he thinks, how he does, and
Yeah.
and while the market is running, some live trading as well while he's doing all that.
Yeah.
So then it will be fun, Nishant Bhai.
Exactly.
And maybe he said Shane might come with him as well, yeah.
Okay.
And if Tom Taklu Hugad is free, he of course he will be there as well, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So we'll have a good nice fun session,
Right, right.
because Tom can do his stuff, Shane can do it, and Larry, and it will all be live trading and how they think, how they do as well, yeah.
Correct, correct.
So let's see. I'll arrange it we'll just see what everyone says, like
Right.
which kind of day and things are okay for them or whatever, yeah. But it has
Yeah.
to be a weekday. It can't be Saturday or Sunday
Correct, correct. Yeah,
because
because
the
trading.
market has to be running, yeah.
Right, right, right.
So we work it out, and then we know, because only the ones who said appreciate it, said, are the ones, Nishant Bhai, we're going to let in.
Right, bhai. Yeah.
We're not going to let any Tom, Dick, and Harry. No.
Yeah.
No, because it's not worth it, yeah?
Correct, bhai. Yeah.
It's not a matter of numbers. Now, even if it is like 5 of us, Nishant Bhai,
Yeah, yeah.
3 of us, even 2 of us, we
Right.
will have fun. We don't give a damn. We don't give
Exactly.
a damn about the rest,
Exactly, exactly.
Huh? And after Larry, Vulture is going to come as well.
Oh, great.
Yeah, I kicked him in in the bollocks, and I told him, "You've got to do it." Yeah. But Nishant bhai, I'll be honest with you now. His voice is I don't know how you would say English. You say like baritone,
Okay. Oh, very deep.
very deep. Nishant, like that voice, huh?
Oh, okay.
And he said, but my voice, they won't understand my accent and voice. I said, we will do sign language, we will understand, but you are talking, that's it. Okay, so I think enough for today, nah? Enough
Yeah.
for today, yeah, because nobody's got any questions or anything, so okay for that, nah? And I go and get some dinner, and see what is going on. Okay, then, yeah. So we can
Yes,
switch off now, yeah. And I expect everyone to put at what we can, their honest feedbacks, yeah.
yeah.
Okay, then, yeah. So I say goodbye to everybody now, yeah. 1, 2, 3, gone.